Hi there, welcome to Smowltech's channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of personality insights with the DISC or DISC personality test. Have you ever wondered what makes people tick? Why some people take charge while others thrive on building connections? The DISC test is a powerful tool that can answer these questions and help us understand ourselves and others better. The DISC model traces back to the work of psychologist William Marston in the early 20th century. He proposed four main behavioral types: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. People with a dominant style tend to be assertive and goal-oriented leaders. Those with an influential style are enthusiastic and persuasive, thriving in social settings. The steady style is characterized by reliability and supportiveness, with a focus on harmony and teamwork. Finally, the conscientious style values precision and systematic thinking, excelling in accuracy and detail. By understanding these styles, we can gain valuable insights into how people communicate, make decisions, and interact with others. DISC tests come in various formats to suit different needs. Online assessments are quick and accessible, while paper-based questionnaires offer a more tangible experience, especially in group settings. Some tests are even conducted through interviews for an in-depth look into personality traits. Each format has its own strengths, so choosing the right one depends on individual preferences. But what are the benefits of taking a DISC test? First, it enhances self-awareness, helping individuals understand their natural tendencies, strengths, and areas for growth. It also boosts communication skills by teaching people how to adapt their style to connect better with others. By recognizing each other's unique strengths, teams can collaborate more effectively, creating a synergy that drives performance. To get the most accurate results, approach the DISC test with an open mind and follow a few simple steps. Start by choosing a quiet, distraction-free environment. Answer the questions honestly based on your true thoughts and behaviors. Pay close attention to the instructions and make sure you're in a comfortable space where you can stay focused. After completing the test, you'll receive a detailed report with insights into your personality style. It's important to remember that no style is better or worse. Each has unique strengths and potential limitations. For instance, if you have a dominant style, you can use your assertiveness to lead effectively. If you're more influential, your social skills can help you build strong networks. Those with a steady style bring stability and support, while conscientious individuals offer unparalleled attention to detail. The DISC test can also be a great tool for recruitment. While it shouldn't be the sole factor in hiring, it can be very useful for HR teams. In pre-employment screening, the DISC test helps assess candidates quickly, allowing results to be compared with the ideal profile. During interviews, the DISC test reveals behaviors that may not be evident otherwise, providing valuable insights into a candidate's motivations and personality traits. For a deeper dive into the DISC test and how it can benefit you, check out our blog post linked below. At Smowltech, we offer scalable and flexible proctoring solutions to support remote recruitment processes, ensuring quality and respect for privacy. If you're curious, request a free demo to see our solutions in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on personal growth and HR strategies. Thanks for watching.